What do you think, Kevin, my boy?
Awesome.
Whoa.
Tempted to swim in it right now.
So we made it to El Salto, La Fortuna, by the Arenal volcano. And they got a little rope there. You can see some other videos where they'll jump off and dive into there. I'll go ahead and link in the descriptions or on the video some good videos I found on YouTube to help locate where this El Salto is, right by this bridge. It's just right outside of the town there, real easy to find. Now, everybody has their own needs, wants, budget. And me, myself, if I could do it all over again, I definitely would not have rented the car. I would have used the buses to get from, location to location, primary location to location, and just rented an ATV or a four-wheeler. I rent a car, 60 bucks a day, little Toyota Tilda. So here we are now. This is the La Fortuna Falls, which is, as you can see, absolutely incredibly beautiful. Oh! Nice rainfall, not nearly as wet as it looks. The cost to enter the falls when we were there was $10. That was in 2011, around August. I wasn't disappointed with that. It was a pretty good time. You get to wade around in the little pools and that. Pretty cool little adventure. The thing I enjoyed most about Fortuna, La Fortuna, which doesn't have anything to do with the wildlife and what you think you go to Costa Rica for, is the internet access and speed in La Fortuna itself, which was exceptional compared to everywhere else I've been, was just phenomenal. I mean, I could download a 6-minute video on YouTube in about 30 or 40 seconds, which is crazy. But what you had to watch out for was food costs. If you weren't careful with your meals, they could definitely be more pricey and take more of your budget than your housing, your shelter, hotels, and transportation. So something you have to be cautious about. So I hope you enjoyed this La Fortuna video. Next, Samara, which I absolutely love Samara Beach. Here's a little time-lapse 5-hour video I made, and I would go back here anytime. People are great, lots of adventures, homey, relaxing. What can I say? Come back, check in, talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed my videos.